Welcome you to this session on artificial intelligence. In this video, I will cover the different types of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is divided into three different types or stages. First, we have artificial narrow intelligence. It is also known as weak intelligence. Second, we have general intelligence. And third, we have super intelligence. So, first question is, what is artificial narrow intelligence? Narrow intelligence is also known as weak intelligence. We are generally use the artificial narrow intelligence in our daily life. For example, we are using Google search engine, Siri, and Alexa. These are all based on artificial narrow intelligence. It only apply on the specific task. So many currently existing systems that claims to use the artificial intelligence are actually operating as weak artificial intelligence, such as Siri, Google search engines, Alexa. Self-driving car by the Tesla, Facebook, Microsoft is a very good example of narrow or weak intelligence. This is because of the artificial narrow artificial intelligence. It operates within limited predefined range of functions. There is no genuine intelligence or no computational power. It is only and it is a sophisticated example of weak artificial intelligence. Right now we are reaching at the stage of the artificial narrow intelligence, and we actually haven't reached on artificial general intelligence or artificial super intelligence. Let's look at what exactly it would be like and if we reach on artificial general intelligence. So second question is, what is artificial general intelligence? It is involves the machines that possess the ability to perform or to perform the intelligent task that a human can do easily. If the machines capable of doing the simple and the most reasonable things that human like, for example thinking, and some work which is only done by the human beings. If the machine can easily do these kind of things, then it actually comes on the artificial general intelligence. So the first was the artificial narrow intelligence, and the second is artificial general intelligence. The example of artificial general intelligence is when a machine can check out the millions of documents in 10 seconds, but a human, it is very difficult to check out the millions of documents in 10 seconds. So it is a very good example of artificial general intelligence. The third most important type of artificial intelligence is artificial super intelligence. Let's move to our third type of artificial intelligence, which is strong intelligence. It is a very strong intelligence, and this involves the machines are able to perform all the tasks that humans cannot do. For example, the limited time of actually the human cannot perform many task in a very short time or with perfection, but if a machine can do um, a work which is completely on time and with perfection, this is the more advanced artificial intelligence, and it is not implemented yet. So if you want to stay connected and stay updated about the recent technologies, and you want to know more about the artificial intelligence, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.